Lunar, currently trading 0.703598, market cap of $32 million. Its ticker is LNR, and is currently ranked 3,356 on the list. But before getting a part of this cryptocurrency, trading, hodling it, gotta know what it is. So I'm gonna skip right to their website, guys. So their platform has three different things. They have a token they can get a part of, and it's part of the Binance Smart Chain. Also, they have a Lunar app, which aims to streamline the entire process of crypto and NFT trading on a single interconnected platform with seamless user experience. Now, if you also want to get part of their NFTs, Lunar Crystal NFTs, Lunar Crystal are a collection of NFTs that unlock special powers for users when plugged into the Lunar ecosystem. There also generate passive LNR token reflections for holders. So that's what the Lunar token, the ecosystem is about. Now let's get to see where can you guys trade or hodl or be a part of this cryptocurrency. Now you get on their website also, but there's PancakeSwap and Bitmark. Now I've never used Bitmark, so if anyone else has used it before, just drop in the comments if you used it. Tell us what your guys' experience is. Now when it comes to their asset score or like a company reviewing it, I didn't find any on it. I actually Googled it to see if there was any. There is none. Doesn't mean it's a bad cryptocurrency. Just shows that it hasn't had a third party to look at over it. So let's check out their news. Now, this is coin market cap news. Some of the big things happening with cryptocurrency. Nothing real particular with them that's been of recent. This is like 2 months ago. The most recent news is on their Twitter page, which I'll go to in a bit. Give me a second. All right, now here's their website. And here's that trading experience. So if you want to trade their cryptocurrency on multiple platforms, so on their platform, and use on other cryptocurrencies, you can also do it on theirs. So I've not used this platform. I'm going to show you that there is other platforms out there, just sharing this cryptocurrency. If you want to buy LNR, how to buy, white paper, social links. So you guys want to learn more about cryptocurrency, please check out their website, guys. Also, let's get to their Twitter page. Now, Twitter page has only 8,515 followers. The newest news that I did find was that Bitmark. So they are trading live on Bitmark as of like 11 hours ago. So relevant news. If you guys are on that platform, like I asked before, I haven't traded on it, but if you are trading on it, just let me know. Let the group know, community know down in the comments below. Tell us what you guys think about it. Good experience, bad experience. Is it like crypto.com? Is it like what's it called Coinbase or Bittrex, stuff like that? Some of the bigger ones, but that's for the news, guys. Let's get straight into the charts. All right, so guys, now I couldn't find like a technical chart where I can mark up. I thought I'd get like an image and like modifying it and like drawing lines on it, but this is probably the best I can do. So it's currently trading at a very, very small amount, and it is doing a really big dip. This is on a 24-hour. If we kick it to the 30-day, the 30-day is going to be using 8-hour bars. So each bar is 8 hours, not the traditional amount, but you guys get the point. This right here was the biggest buying point right here, especially from like January 3rd to January 8th ish. So that was where the big money was jumping in, especially for these big push ups. Now, obviously this buying zone right here from January 3rd to January 9th, just about, that's where the big money entered, and a lot of it took profits, which is fine. I tell you, like, if you're trading cryptocurrency, especially coins like these, take profits. It's not a bad thing to take profits. Hodling or staying in forever doesn't mean you're going to be, rich. It just means that you have paper profits, and you might not realize anything because it might collapse. Cryptocurrencies collapse all the time, and you don't want to be caught. So what I tell you, like for me myself, I take profits periodically and put them into other cryptocurrencies, or I'll take my initial principal out plus some gains, and then I'll put it into another cryptocurrency, and then I can just keep on cycling it through. So my risk ends up being zero. But for this one here, guys, I do like that when it comes to Lunar, I like this big rebuy, this big push back up. Because that's why, for me, when it comes to this price prediction, when I was looking at mine, I think it can easily break past this previous high of 41545. That's the previous high. Let me scroll up a little bit so you guys can see it on my screen. So that's the previous high here. I think that without my other charts and stuff, I can't really break it down. So, but when I did like measure it myself on hand, like just by eyeing it, 0.7045. This line basically right here will be just about a good price target if you did like a Fibonacci. So that's my price prediction, 0.7045. 0.7045. That's my price prediction. And how I would break it out is, I do like how it is moving up on the 8-hour, and this right here doesn't sound like a big deflection down. So buying off a market would probably be the best entry, and do a half entry. So if you're doing like say if for example you have $100, if I have $100, I will throw $50 in this point at market and do a buy limit at the midway point between here, and that will be at the price point of 0.31663, and I'll do a buy limit right there. So if it goes down a little bit lower, and engage my buy limit to go ahead up higher. If it hits the 0.7045, then what I'm going to do is take out some of my profits, move my stop loss above my entry, locking in that trade, and then letting that trade just run. I won't lose any type of margin accounts, leverage accounts at all. This would just be basically 1-for-1. Whenever I'm throwing in there, I'm just risking that amount. I don't think that in my opinion, it wouldn't be the best idea to go in there with leverage, because it's such a small cryptocurrency, and it doesn't have a lot of life to it. Not in the sense of like it's going to crash or anything. It's just a relatively newer cryptocurrency. You see. So this is the year, like this is the whole max of the chart. The chart is not that big. It's only been around for a few months. So that's why I said trading it, with non-risk money. So basically, if you're making gains from other cryptocurrencies, taking those gains and putting into this. If I'm making those gains and putting into this, that would be the best option, because I reduce my risk as much as possible. And if it hits a 0.45, then that next leg up can be even better. But that's my price prediction, guys. I try to do the best analysis I can do on the screen. That's what I got. I couldn't find any better charts that give me a better, view on this. But I think for my two entries, are very minimal risk, especially if you're going like at $50 increments, $50, and you're just dollar cost averaging in, and if it hits a 0.7045, then I would go for that. But that's my price prediction, guys. That's my analysis into it. Just tell me what your guys' thoughts are. I'm going to move on to my website, guys. So here's my website, AndreJMcClellan.com. I fully updated it on the front home screen. I got a few other things to update on here, especially the economic course. So we're looking at trading news, some news about cryptocurrencies, what's happening, a chat box if you guys want to get in there. Also, when it comes to indicators, I am adding some more indicators, adding 2 more pages. Just make sure they're all fully back tested, so they're not repainting or anything. And also, if you guys are looking for a custom indicator, custom EA, custom trading bot, let me know. I do program mainly by those. If you watch my trading videos, my EA that I program to trade on MetaTrader 4 that I live stream, check that out, guys. It's not doing too bad. It is a simple robot compared to the ones that I usually use for my own live trading. So give me what you guys' thoughts are. Tell me if you guys want it. We can talk about it in the my chat or on here. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.